Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by enabling motion photo or motion capture in camera settings. These modes record a short video clip with each photo. Set the clip duration to about 3 seconds and record at 30 FPS for smooth playback. Choose your subject and frame composition carefully. Hold the phone steady and tap the shutter once to capture both still and motion. Avoid panning quickly. Slow movement ensures clear frames and natural motion that looks like a live photo. Open your captured motion photo in Google Photos or a trusted app. Trim the clip to the best 3 seconds and set playback to 30 FPS. Choose a keyframe to act as the still image when sharing. Export the clip as an MP4 or GIF to preserve motion on devices that lack motion photo support. If you need an Apple-style live photo, use a converter app to combine the still JPG and short MP4 into a live photo package. When sharing, prefer MP4 or GIF files for reliable motion playback on any device. If sending to iPhone users, use a converter to package the still JPG and the 3-second MP4 into a live photo. Compress moderately to keep file sizes under practical limits while retaining quality. Be aware that some messaging apps strip motion and send only still images. Always test one shared example before sending batches to ensure the motion is preserved for recipients.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.